Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your speed from kilometer per hour to miles per hour. So for doing this you just need to put in your keys and just turn it right one time, and after just click here until you will see settings. So after you see settings, just click here again, and after you will see display unit speedometer. So just here you can see kilometer on the left side, and on the right side we can see miles. So you just can switch between these two different options by plus or minus. So here you can see. So just click here and it will successfully save your settings. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.